Welcome! In this demonstration, I'll be showing how to create payment for a customer order using the LogicData Credit Card Module. On this screen, begin by clicking Filter in Place and find a customer that you want to place the order for. In this case, I'll be using Carnival Cycles. Next, I'm going to sample the database by clicking on Customer Orders. Now we'll create a new order. The only thing that I have to do to designate this as a credit card order is to change the credit card terms to CC. This designates it in our system as a credit card. I'll let all the other values for the order default to normal. And we'll go from there to create the line item. You can add as many line items as you want that are going to be on the order. I'll be using an FA 10,000 for demonstration purposes to add some cost to our order. And all of the defaults here are just fine. You don't have to change anything. I'll save that line item and go back to the order header. At this point, the order has been placed on credit hold because the credit card amount has not been authorized just yet. We don't want an order to ship if it hasn't been paid for and it's designated as a credit card order. So we automatically put the order on credit hold until there is a payment associated with the order, which is what we're going to do now. I go to the Credit Card tab and I click the button to bring up the Credit Card Manage Transactions form. At this point, we need to create a card holder. There are no card holders associated with the company, so we will create one. We will need an email and the first and last name to create the card holder. Go ahead and click Save. Close that out. And now we have a card holder, but there's no payment method associated with it yet. So we're going to have to add the card payment, which will be done securely. We will be using a web browser to enter the payment method. The data will be entered directly into the authorized.net website. Once that payment has been created, you click the Return to SyteLine button. You can close that window, and there the payment information has been created securely, and SyteLine knows about the payment method from the token that authorized.net returns. At this point, we only need to enter the card code and click the Authorize button to create the credit card authorization. From here, we see that the payment is authorized and approved. We can look at the details of this by clicking the check mark and looking at the history behind the payment. Here, we have a full audit record of who created it, when it was created, as you can see here. Once we close that form, the order is no longer on credit hold. Additionally, a note has been added, paid by credit card, with the last 4 digits of the credit card as well as the transaction number. And there you have it, the credit card module for SyteLine.